It is a clear indication that its earlier policies have failed, end quote. That is a statement of financial experts after the Nigerian Central Bank decided on the move to let the Naira's value be determined by market forces after removing restrictions that tied it to a fixed figure. The move has so far triggered a collapse in the value of the currency under the dollar on the non-deliverable future market.
This has even hit harder the country's economy, in crisis for 10 years now. This follows the falling prices of oil, which the country heavily relies on. Elaine Wangalwa with more details.
À 90%. Explication de Stéphane Cougnier et Elaine Wangalwa.
Nigeria has bowed to pressure to devalue its currency in a bid to control the Naira crisis in Africa's largest economy. The country's central bank has removed pegs which tied the Naira to a fixed figure. From June 20th, a new system is anticipated to lead a significant devaluation of the Naira. The Naira was officially pegged at around 197 Naira to the US dollar, but has been trading lower than that in the black market. The new system is now in line with most central banks. The devaluation comes at a time the West African country is experiencing its worst economic crisis in years, pegged to the tumbling of global oil prices. This is the third devaluation since November 2014, after Nigeria's central bank debased the Naira by 8% to 168 to the dollar.
Now, Bismarck Rewani is the CEO of Financial Derivatives Company in Lagos, Nigeria, and we spoke with him regarding this whole phenomenon in Nigeria, asking him to explain the decision by the Nigerian Central Bank, as there is a slight confusion that the Naira has been devalued. Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning.
Well, thank you for...
I think that there are two elements to this decision. One is the adoption of a flexible exchange rate, which means that the currency will actually find its true value in the market. And the effect of this is it will result in a devaluation at the moment. But what is important is that the devaluation will bring the Nigerian economy actually suffer the devaluation, because the effective value at which all the prices in the economy have been determined is the parallel market rate. So we are seeing it go up from as much as from 11% all the way to almost 16% in the last 3 months because of, one, scarcity, two, traders are benchmarking their prices against the market rate, which was at this point as high as 360 Naira to $1. The effect of what is going to happen on Monday is that the true value of the Naira will now be determined, and it will come in at about 320 Naira. So effectively, the Nigerian public is going to be seeing an appreciation in its currency rather than a devaluation, because right now the dollar rate is 365, and people are buying their tickets, buying all their products at 365 because of this bottleneck. The government officially take the price at 200, which was an artificial rate, which nobody, only the friends of the central bank and some special people were getting the money at 200 Naira to $1.
Now, there is something about misunderstanding and not understanding. Explain for us what the central governor, Governor Emefiele, said about the country could probably go into a recession.
Well, the central bank governor had said that the economy, if you devalue the currency, the country will go into a recession. I think that is a complete misunderstanding of the situation. What happens when the currency is devalued? There's an inflow of currency, one. Two, there's also a removal of the stricture on productivity, because those who didn't have raw materials will now have it available and will produce. A recession is two quarters of negative growth. By the time you have your foreign exchange, you will start producing. Rather than have negative growth, you will have positive growth, because you're starting from a low base. So I think that, with all due respect and respectfully speaking, whoever predicted that with a devaluation you will have a recession does not necessarily understand the fundamentals of economic theory.
Merci, Bismarck Rewani.
Thank you, Bismarck Rewani in Lagos.